week, we're going to be making one of my favorite rum cocktails, which is a Mai Tai. Right? You like Mai Tais, Joe?
Sure do.
Sure do? I hope so, man.
I have my, Hawaiian shirt on. It's very hard to see in this nice bit light.
I know, the Instagram split screen doesn't give you much of a window to play with.
Yeah, right.
Alright, last cocktail coming, folks. Let's do this. It's Friday. Let's have some fun here. Now, Mai Tai. Simple cocktail, has a bunch of different ingredients, but you usually kind of have them. If you're playing along with me at home, you have a lot of these bottles already. You're going to need 2 different types of rum. I'm going to be using a light rum and a dark rum, both from Brugal. It's nice to have different rums in a Mai Tai because you get different layers of flavor. We keep talking about this, okay? You're going to need fresh squeezed lime juice. Big staple when it comes to Caribbean-style cocktails. You're going to need some triple sec, some Cointreau, some dry curacao, if you have that still. Now, the other key ingredient that most people forget in a Mai Tai, a true Mai Tai, is orgeat. What is orgeat? Orgeat is a almond simple syrup at its basic form. What was it? P Brothers makes one. I know Modin makes it their own orgeat. You can make your own at home too. It's a bit laborious. The geeks at home can make it. You know what it's all about. If you're in a pinch, you can use an amaretto. I know we all kind of have an amaretto there, but if you're like me and you've been following along at home, if you got no amaretto, you got no orgeat, I always go to Screwball. Yes, peanut butter flavored whiskey, and I know every bartender, every tiki geek at home is going, Steve, what are you doing to me, man? But I gotta tell you, there are so many times that I pull this bottle out and I don't think I will, but I can do so much with it. There are so many cocktails that you can throw this into that just adds, again, that extra layer of flavor without taking things away from your base spirits. Alright, let me get off of that high horse. I'm sorry, Joe.
People with allergies?
It is actually fun. They don't make any serious claims, nor will I make any claims, but I've given it to my friends who've got nut allergies, and they're okay. Not only are they okay, they actually are big fans of the brand now. But I won't plug that anymore, Joe. This is about you and Brugal today. I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, please. You don't think if it's plenty delicious, I'm going to drink it. So anything you got, I'll try.
All right. Now, first, we're going to start off with 3/4 ounces of our freshly squeezed lime juice. All right. I'm going to take a 1/2 ounce of our dry curacao, our triple sec, our Cointreau. Again, do not use a Grand Marnier. It's going to overtake the drink. If that's all you got, use like a bar spoon. That's all you're really going to need to kind of take it up. The Pierre Ferragno is going to add an extra floral aspect, which is really great with Brugal because you get more of the backbone of the sugar cane, more of those herbaceous qualities. It's not just molasses, which I really love about that brand. Now, for my nut component, I'm going to add just a 1/4 ounce of Screwball peanut butter whiskey. And I dare you to try this at home and call me a liar. And then we're going to go to our rum, Joe. I'm going to start off with 1 ounce of my Brugal extra dry. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of our Brugal 1888.
Delicious.
Oh, man. Woo, that is good. That is good stuff. All right, we'll ice up our 10.
I'm trying to think last time I had a Mai Tai. It's been a long time.
You know, there's 2 different kinds of Mai Tais, actually. Most people who've had a Mai Tai, they've had the Hawaiian version, which is the one that typically has pineapple juice and sometimes orange juice. And it's kind of, I don't want to say bastardized, but it was just another twist. It was more of the masses kind of like the Mai Tai. The classic Mai Tai has always just been rum, some sort of orange component, fresh lime, and orgeat. And then it kind of taken off because the real Mai Tai is very dry, which is why Brugal's great for the cocktail. It didn't really fit with the 1940s, 1950s profile that the Americans were going for. Because remember, Prohibition destroyed our palates, you know? Alrighty. So we're going to get our quick shake on here. Give it a nice one. It's Friday. Thank you for coming out today, guys. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. Remember, I'll be posting. Joe, you have fun today?
Amazing fun. I'm actually feeling a little bit inspired. I'm going to go play around a little bit.
You got me feeling all happy. That's good. We love that. And if you're at home and you want to send me a picture of what you're making, or you want to send me a picture of what's in your pantry because you don't know what to make, that's what I do, guys. Okay, send me your messages, send me your pictures. I want to help you out with all of your cocktail needs. Now, let's finish this one up. Next week we got some fun stuff coming up. We're going to be doing the Zen of the Martini on Wednesday. Teaching a few different types of martinis. We'll be talking about Roku Gin, Haku Vodka, playing with some Blue Coat too in their new 1.75 liter bottles. We're also going to be doing a little brunch salute actually to our friends at Partida Tequila. I love Partida Tequila. The same way that Brugal gives me that earthiness when it comes to a rum, Partida gives me that earthiness when it comes to a tequila. It truly has a great backbone with the agave. Alright, so Mai Tais you can garnish a couple different ways. Today I'm going to use some pineapple leaves on there. Let's make it pretty. Let's get one of our dehydrated slices and pop him on there. And I'm going to put... I'm gonna get some more bitters on there, you know? I'm feeling some bitters, man. Okay, a couple dashes, and there you go. And right there, that is your classic Mai Tai. And